Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing good. Today I'm sharing with you the classic beef stroganoff recipe, or you can say it beef with mushroom. For this I have already added oil in my preheated pan and some garlic. Once the garlic is started to crackle, in this point I'm adding my beef strips here. I'm going to add them like in batches. Now cook the meat until it becomes tender. It might take longer when you do it into the batches, but the meat will be so nice and tender. It won't be chewy, so be patient in that. Once the beef gets nice color from both sides and it's tender, then remove it and add another batch. We are doing it into the batches so it will not be chewy, it's going to be tender. So if you're new to my channel, you are most welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. I'm posting new videos every week. So once the beef gets done, remove it, and now let's prepare for the mushroom sauce. Using the same pan in which I made my steak, I have added here olive oil. In that I added my chopped garlic and onion. I'm going to saute it for a minute or two. And then I'm adding here my mushrooms. I'm going to cook the mushrooms until they reduce the volume and all the water evaporates. So my mushroom gets little toasted. In this point I'm adding here my heavy cream. You can add fresh cream or whatever kind of cream is available. Cook it on low flame. Now it's time to add black pepper, white pepper and salt. Adjust the spices according to your taste. Parsley and dill. Now cook it on low flame until it thickens. Now can you see how beautifully it's done? Now at this point I am adding here 2 cups of beef broth or beef stock. You can add the canned ones. I made the fresh one here. And here I'm adding my beef strips. I'm going to cook it until the sauce thickens and all the flavor of mushrooms and the beef incorporate into each other and gives a beautiful aroma and taste. This is the easiest beef stroganoff recipe, or you can call it beef with mushroom. Enjoy it with pasta, spaghetti, or as you like. So if you like my easiest recipe of making beef stroganoff, then please don't forget to like, comment and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be updated.